Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check the given number is odd or even. I am declaring a variable n which is equal to input of enter a number. So enter a number is a string which is given in the input statement. During execution, the string will be displayed in the console for the user. When user enter a number, this is received as a string by this input statement by default. So I have to perform a type conversion integer. So when you enter a number that is received as a string by the input statement and which is converted into integer by using the int function and stored it in the variable n. Now I am going to check the given number is odd or even. If n modulo 2 equal to 0, the modulo operator always return a remainder by dividing a number by 2. If it is an even number, when you perform a modulo division, the remainder is always 0. 4 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. 100 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. 150 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. Likewise, the even number always returns 0. In the case, I am printing the value of the variable n followed by the string is a even number. Else colon, that means when the condition is false, n modulo 2 equal to 0 is false, then the control will come to the else statement. Here I am printing print n or by string is a odd number. So when you divide a number by 2, the remainder is a non-zero value. Then the condition n modulo 2 double equal to 0. The comparison is false. Then control will come to the else statement, will print n, value of the variable n is a odd number. The modulo operator always return a non-zero value for a odd number. For example, 5 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. 13 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. 27 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. So the remainder which is not equal to 0, then this condition is false. The control will come to the else statement and the statement in the else block will get executed. We will execute the program and check the result. Enter a number. I am entering a number 100. 100 is a even number because when you perform a modulo division of 2 for 100, the remainder is 0. I am executing a program again. Enter a number. Now I am entering a value 5. 5 is a odd number because the 5 modulo 2 returns a non-zero value. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.